Hello, welcome to this tutorial video where I show you how to join and then leave groups on Roblox. So there's a few ways that we can do this. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. And then on the left-hand sidebar, you're going to see a bunch of options over here. You want to go to groups right here. So click into groups and it's going to show you the groups interface where we can search for specific groups if you know the name of that group here. Or you can see friends groups. So if you have any friends that are part of groups, they'll show up at the very top. And another side note, you can actually click on a friend's profile and you can actually go here and scroll down and see the groups that they're a part of so you can join those specific groups. Now, once we have a list of groups here, so let's just go and see all of these types of groups. The groups that you can join immediately are the ones that say public. So if we click into this group here, you'll be able to go to the group page and then just click on the button that says join group. So if we click into join group, you'll automatically be accepted and you'll be a part of that group now. So now when we go back to the groups page, you'll see on the left-hand bar over here, all of the groups that you are a part of will show up here. Now, in order to leave a group, you'll need to go to a page here, go to the group page that you're a part of, which is right here, and you'll see 3 of these horizontal dots right here, right where the group name and information is. Click on those 3 dots and go to leave group, just like that. It says, are you sure you want to leave this group? Click on yes, and you'll automatically leave that group. So again, just go to the groups on the sidebar, search for the group you want to, be a part of, or if you want to, you can click into the group by, seeing the listing here and then go to join group. Just remember that if the group is private, you will have to be accepted, so that can take some time. But that's it. That's how you join and leave groups in Roblox. If you have any questions about that, please leave them down below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.